Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super handy for 2025. How to pay your friends and family using Venmo. If you're tired of fumbling with cash or bank transfers, Venmo makes it quick, secure, and fun. With the latest updates in 2025, the app is even more user-friendly, featuring enhanced security and personalized payment options. Whether you're splitting dinner bills or sending gifts, you'll be a pro in no time. Let's get started. First things first, you need the Venmo app. If you don't have it yet, head to your app store. It's free for both iOS and Android. Once downloaded, open it up and sign in with your existing account or create a new one. It's straightforward. Just enter your email, phone number, or link your social media. Don't worry, it's all protected with two-factor authentication for extra peace of mind. Now, to add money to your Venmo account, link your bank or debit card. Go to the Settings menu, select Payment Methods, and follow the prompts. This step ensures you have funds ready to go. Next, find your friend or family member. Search by their username, phone number, or even scan their QR code if you're hanging out in person. Once you've selected them, tap on the Pay button. Enter the amount you want to send, add a fun note or emoji to make it personal, and choose a category like Food or Gifts for better organization. In 2025, Venmo's got new features like instant transaction previews, so you can double-check everything before hitting send. Finally, review and confirm the payment. Boom, it's done. The money usually arrives in seconds. A quick tip: always double-check the recipient to avoid mistakes, and if you need to request money back, Venmo makes it easy through their dispute options. There you have it. Paying friends and family with Venmo in 2025 is a breeze. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it goes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.